and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. Yes, I know you just saw me in this outfit a moment ago, but here I am again, and I'm doing another unboxing because I had two boxes that arrived on the same day. I know. So today I am doing Birchbox. So Birchbox is a monthly subscription box where you will get hair, skincare, hair care, skincare, makeup, the odd tool, beauty tool of some sort as well. Usually the items will be sample sizes, so they give you enough so you can try a product out, and then if you like it you can go on and buy the full size. Usually the products are available on the Birchbox website, so you can buy the products at a bit of a discount as well. That's if you like the products once you've tried them out in the box. Birchbox costs £10 a month plus £2.95 postage and packaging. So I've been getting the box for about 2 years now, so it's a solid box. It's okay. Some months are really good, some months aren't so good, but it's a solid box. And what I do really like about Birchbox is that they tend to be the forerunners when it comes to new products in what's being released out there. Very much the ones in the UK that introduce us to new brands and new products. So that's why I kind of keep up with Birchbox. Even though the products aren't full size, it's the innovation. They give us new products, not so many repeats as some of the other boxes do. So before I go on to my March box, let me just go through quickly how I got on with the February box. Okay, so February, what did we get? We got 5 items. First item was from Revolution Pro, and it was a radiant primer. So it was a full-size radiant primer. Not something I personally will use because I do use primers, but I tend to use either natural finish or preferably mattifying. I've got very oily skin, so anything that says dewy, radiant, glow, I tend to pass that along. Not for me. I produce enough natural glow without any assistance from anything else, so I did put that in my giveaway box. I received one and my daughter received one, so I think one went in the giveaway box and one went in my beauty bundle box for sale, so they each got one of those. And that was a full-size item, which costs about £7, I think it is, on the Revolution website. Second product was from Nux, and it was a moisturiser. I do think I gave that away. I don't think I kept it. I think I put it away in one of the boxes for last month as well. Third item was from Suking, and it was a scalp scrub. I said I was going to keep it to try. I haven't tried it. I just don't reach for scalp scrubs. I don't know why. So you know what? I might put it in this month's giveaway because I know I'm not going to reach for it. So it may end up in one of the boxes next month or this month in the giveaway because I'm not going to use it. Next product was from Incredible, and it was a jelly shot. This is a full-size item, and I've got it here actually. So all it is literally, it's just a lip balm. It's nothing special. I mean, they give it all a fancy name. It all looks very interesting and stuff, but it literally is. It's just a lip balm to put on, moisturise your skin. It's not sticky. It's not shiny. It's very. It's basically, it will moisturise your skin, but it doesn't give that whole sticky, glossy, shiny look. So if you want something as a base to a matte lipstick, this is the kind of thing that's really perfect for that. If you don't want to give that extra shine and gloss to your lips, again, this is perfect. But it will moisturise your lips. So for that alone, I'm more than happy to use it. So that has been used. Next, and the last item was something I received also in another box, and this is the Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood Rescue Butter. So I got this twice last month, and I like it. I've got one in my car, and I keep one here on my desk. This is where I sit and work during the week, and it's beautiful. I've been using it as a hand cream. I know some people have been using it as a foot cream, but as a hand cream, I love it. It's thick, it's rich, it's moisturising. Love it. So I was more than happy with last month's box. So what did I give? 5 items, and I gave it, let's have a look. Let's have a look. 2 items. Yeah, 2 items I kept out of the 5. So I only scored 2 out of 5, but the 2 items I kept were good. So I was more than happy with it. And did I get my money's worth? £13? Probably. If I was to buy those products, I would have covered my costs. So I was more than happy with that. That's fine with me. It's a bit of give and take in it. Some months you get loads of great value. Some months you don't get anything. Right, let's see what we got. So we've got Birchbox for March. Let's look and see what we got here. Let me find the opening bit. Right, let's open. Let's see what we got. Okay, right. What do we have? So we all deserve to feel iconic. Okay, so this month apparently, it depends on how people are celebrating it, but from what I understand, it's the International Month of the Woman. So I think all the boxes we're going to get are all going to be about self-affirmation, believing in ourselves, women-owned brands, all that kind of thing. So I think that's a good. Actually, it looks like a book cover, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like a book cover? So yeah, kind of like that. We all deserve to feel iconic. So this is a message. Make sure if you've got daughters or young women in your home or in your family circle, make sure they get that message. They need to feel iconic as well. All right, let's go. So we've got a leaflet here. Just having a quick look at what's in the box. So what are they saying? So we've got hello Birchboxes. This Women's Month, Women's Month, you're the main character. We want to encourage everyone to create their own definition of success. Remember, you are unique in your own way, so forget about external pressure and be your own icon for a change. So basically, forget about what everybody else is doing on social media, how they look, what they're doing, what they're saying. You're the main star in your life. Look after you, okay? That's it. Don't worry about anybody else's business. It's all about you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. All right, let's go. Okay, so first item is from Vitamask, and we have here a Sika Green Tea Jelly Cleanser. Okay, I'll probably use this. This is not full size, I'm assuming. And the full size of this would be £16.99. This is not full size, so I will work out how much this is worth and I'll put it on the screen down below. So make some space on your sink because here comes your next skincare essential. This jelly textured cleanser exfoliator hybrid is both gentle on skin and removes build-up without stripping hydration. Its green tea and Centella Asiatica formula acts as an anti-inflammatory as well as a hydrating moisturiser. I quite like the idea of this. This is good. This cleanser is well balanced with a pH of 5.5, meaning it won't irritate your skin. Yeah, definitely going to give this a try. So the full size of this is £16.99. I'm kind of liking sort of the joint cleanser exfoliation thing. So one of the products I'm using sort of once or twice a week at the moment, I got in one of my American boxes, and it's from Tatcha, and it's the American beauty box that is very similar to Birchbox. You know the one I'm talking about. And it's a cleanser exfoliator, and I'm really enjoying using it. I only use it sort of once a week, twice a week, or particularly if I've got a full face of makeup on, I'll put it on at night time. So if this is anything like that, I'm looking forward to using that because this will be more accessible and more affordable than a Tatcha brand will be. So we will see. So yeah, all good. This is a brand we're seeing quite a bit of now, New Seed. Well, I'll say quite a bit of now. I think this is the second time I've seen it, and the first time was in Birchbox as well. So this full size of this is £14.50. Again, I don't know if this is full size. Give your skin a new lease of life with this gently exfoliating body scrub. So this is a body scrub. Full of fine salt grains, this formula will wash away any impurities and dead skin cells, revealing a healthy, glowing complexion. Let yourself drool over its fresh watermelon scent. Trust us, it's addictive. And it says, yay, this body scrub is made from 99% natural ingredients. Okay, full size of this is £14.50. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I'm not that fond of body scrubs, but then again, I'm not that fond of coffee body scrubs. So I might give this one a try. I'll think about it. If it ends up in a giveaway box and you know what's happened, I decided not to keep it. But I might keep it. Because I've got to get used to using body scrubs. They are good for your skin. I just don't like the feel of them. Right, next item is from, I haven't seen this brand for a while. So this is from Ico. Oh, Ico. This is Lash Alert Mascara. I know I don't like this mascara, so this is definitely going in the giveaway. This is a botanically infused lash lifter that will have your friends convinced you're wearing falsies. This caffeine and biotin infused mascara will add volume and curl to your lashes to leave them feeling nourished and conditioned with a natural flutter. And it says, top tip, to enhance lash curl, rotate the brush backwards on itself when you reach the tips of your lashes. I must admit, the last time I received one of these, it was really dry. And that's why I didn't like it. Maybe I'll give this one a go and see how I get on with it, because it might not be dry, it might be alright. But if it's dry again, that'll be the second time, and that will convince me that this is just a rubbish product for me personally. So I'm going to keep it, I'm going to give it a go, because maybe the last one was just a dry product I received. Yeah, benefit of the doubt and all that. We'll go with that. Next product here. Oh, God, you know what? I thought it was Sunday Riley. I honestly thought it was Sunday Riley, and I thought it was the A+ retinol, but it's not. I got quite excited just there. Never mind. So this is from Wild Science Lab. Have I heard of this brand before? I'm not sure. And this is a Root Fruit Night Shift Renewal Eye Serum. Ooh, another nice serum. Full size of this is £17. So this superhero eye serum is packed full of bakuchiol. Oh, so bakuchiol is an alternative to retinol, from what I understand. Does the same thing, but it's not retinol. I'm not sure where retinol comes from, so why they had to come up with an alternative. But bakuchiol, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but bakuchiol, from what I understand, is an alternative to it. And so this has got bakuchiol and hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is the moisturising side of it, to target classic signs of fatigue and dehydration. Simply apply 1 to 2 pumps every evening and begin to notice the reduction of any puffiness, dark circles or fine lines. And it says, yay! Wild Science Lab is a London-based vegan-friendly brand. Okay, so I'm wondering if retinol has animal product in it or something. It must do, because otherwise why would bakuchiol have been created? Anyway, I'm not going to keep this product. I'm going to put this in a giveaway, because I think I've mentioned several times before, I got about 6-7 years worth of eye serums and things which I need to get through. So I've just put that in the giveaway box. And the final product here is from Brave New Hair. This is a brand I've had 2 products from them. So I've had this gold, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was a body moisturiser or a body glow thing, which I really didn't like, and I threw that away. The second product I received from them was like it was like a hair mask thing, and I liked that. So this is the third item I've received from these guys. So this is Brave New Hair, and this is a keratin shampoo. So I think the last time it was either a conditioner or a mask, a conditioning mask sort of thing. So this is a shampoo. Full size of this is £15. Very affordable brand, and the products are decent quality, apart from that gold thing which I didn't like. So this is getting to work in just a few minutes. This magnificent protein treatment restores essential hydration in no time. Perfect for those with dry, damaged hair or strands that need some extra love. This deeply conditioning formula instantly strengthens and smooths whilst boosting elasticity and shine. And did you know Brave New Hair is a Bulgarian-born female-founded brand? I did not know that. Thank you for telling me. And there you go. Okay, interesting product. Not sure if I'm going to use this. Not sure if I'm going to use this at all, to be honest, because I'm kind of set in my ways when it comes to my hair products now and the brands I'm using. So I'll see what my daughter says, see if she wants it. If she doesn't want it, this is also going to end up in the giveaway as well. So let's go through the products we received this month. So this month we received this Keratin Shampoo from Brave New World. We've got a Night Shift Eye Serum with hyaluronic acid and bakuchiol, because I don't know how to pronounce it. So you got those 2 products. We have also got from New Seed a body scrub. Yeah. We have from Vitamask. We've got a jelly cleanser, which I'm quite interested in using this. I'm going to give this one a try pretty soon, methinks. So looking forward to trying that. Then we've got the Eye Alert, the Ico Lash Alert mascara, which I'm going to give a second try to, because the first time I received this I didn't like it because it was really dry. So I'm going to give this one a second try. So those are my products from Birchbox this month. What are we thinking? Nice array of products. Face, skincare, no makeup this month, but it's all skincare and hair care and body care. That's alright, we can do with that. £10 plus £2.95. I do have a referral code down below if you do want to try out the Birchbox for yourself. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon. Take care, be kind to yourself, alright? It's about woman power this month. See you soon. Bye.